What are we going to get in today? Well, I got some empty barrels. We just bottled what we had in these barrels, and they are empty. So what's next? Well, if I just put these barrels on the shelf, they'll dry out, or they will start growing stuff inside, and we can't have that. So we want to show you how to store your barrels to keep them good and so that they're ready to go for the next time. But first things first, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Okay, so what do we want to do? Well, the first thing we want to do is we want to fill them about halfway up full of water. All right, so let me see if I can do that. This is just plain tap water. And we want to fill them about half full. Whoop. I didn't want to make a mess. And it don't have to be warm water, it don't have to be cold. Now this is just warm tap water. But we want to get a little bit of water in there first. Right about halfway. That's close. And that's going to be for both of them. Let me put a little more in there. And this is so easy to do. Okay. All right, so what I want to do for each one of these barrels is, and one thing you want to make sure, you want to do this right after you empty them. Don't give it too much time. You want to do it pretty much right away. I'm going to use a dry funnel. Okay, so what we want to add to each barrel, and I'll give you the how much of this, we're going to make a solution. Okay, and it is, sodium metabisulfite. I'll put it down in the description because I sure didn't say it right. And some citric acid, okay? So, what we want to do is, for every gallon of barrel, okay, we want to do 2 teaspoons of the sodium, or if it ain't the sodium, the potassium, same less is good too. It's a sulfite, and there's 1 teaspoon, so we want 2 teaspoons of that in each barrel, because they're relatively the same. All right, that's in that one. And 2 teaspoons in this one. I can't say that word. And what this does is it keep from anything growing in it. And this, because we don't have the alcohol in there no more to protect it. And the chemicals are really, really cheap. Okay, so that's that. And then we want 1 teaspoon of citric acid. Now this recipe is for 1 gallon of solution. One there. One there. Okay. And then the only thing we want to do now is finish filling it full of water. All right? This is the hard part. Because I know I forgot one thing. What you want to do is you want to kind of just give it a shake or a stir just to help. And one thing what's doing, once you put them chemicals in it, it's going to build a little, they say it builds a little vapor, and that will help cure this barrel, to protect it. So just finish filling it full of water. That's just, like I said before, just tap water. I know it's going to overflow. But that won't hurt nothing. It ain't like I'm losing good liquor. But we want to protect these barrels because they're not done yet. We can go for a couple more recipes, I think, in there. It did make some very delicious sour mash, just what come out of them. I just ain't quite ready to put anything back. That's why I want to store these barrels the right way. Because if you don't, they will dry up and it's hard to fix them. It's got to be getting close. I just want to make sure the valve wasn't on up front. Wouldn't that be hell? Yep. All right, she's full. Let me fill this one up. Okay. That's full. All right. So, what it is, let me give you the solution. Let me give that to you again. Per gallon, two teaspoons of either one or the other. Potassium metabisulfite or sodium in that. I will put it down in the description box just so because I can't say it. Okay, and a 1 teaspoon of the citric acid. Okay, so that solution in these barrels should be good for about 6 months, and then you just want to put in, dump it out, change the solution for 6 months. Okay, now, when you go ready to use the barrel again, all you have to do is dump it out, rinse it out, and then put your product in there, and you'll be good to go, okay? So I just wanted to put that out there so everybody can take care of their barrels. Very, very, very important. And I guess the last thing I got to say is, Hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Cheers, everybody.